the three pillars of SEO: on page, off page, and technical. In today's digital landscape, search engine optimization (SEO) drives a remarkably 53% of all web traffic globally, making it the primary channel for most businesses to connect with potential customers. With over $80 billion, 0 cents spent on SEO services in 2023 alone, the importance of mastering this discipline cannot be overstated. This presentation explores the three fundamental pillars that form the foundation of effective SEO: on-page optimization, off-page strategies, and technical implementation. Understanding how these components work together is essential for developing a comprehensive SEO strategy that delivers sustainable results. Understanding on-page SEO. What is on-page SEO? On-page SEO refers to the practice of optimizing individual web page content and HTML source code to improve visibility in search engines and attract relevant traffic. It involves everything within your control on your own website. Google evaluates over 200 ranking signals when determining search positions, and many of these signals come directly from on-page elements. The better optimized your pages are, the more clearly search engines can understand your content's relevance to user queries. Key components: strategic keyword placement, high quality, relevant content, optimized meta tags, user-friendly page structure, image optimization, mobile responsiveness, keyword research and content optimization. 70%. Long-tail keywords. Percentage of search queries that use specific longer keyword phrases. 6.3x. Conversion rate. How much more likely long-tail keywords are to convert than generic terms. 3 plus. Top research tools. Essential platforms like SEMrush, Ahrefs, and Google Keyword Planner. Effective keyword research identifies terms your audience actually uses. For example, optimizing for best running shoes 2025 rather than just running shoes can significantly boost targeted traffic. Content should naturally incorporate primary and secondary keywords while maintaining readability and providing genuine value to users. Meta tags, titles, and description. Title tags. The single most important on-page element. Title tags should be under 60 characters, include primary keywords, and clearly describe page content. Compelling titles can improve click-through rates by 20-30%. Meta descriptions. While not a direct ranking factor, well-crafted meta descriptions of 150-160 characters improve click-through rates by 5-10%. They should include keywords and compelling calls to action. Schema markup. Structured data helps search engines understand content, context, and can generate rich snippets in results. Sites with schema markup rank an average of 4 positions higher than those without. Internal linking and user experience. Strategic internal linking creates pathways for search engines to discover and index content while distributing page authority throughout the site. Core Web Vitals. Google's page experience metrics measure loading performance, interactivity, and visual stability. Mobile optimization ensures consistent experience across all devices, critical since Google's mobile-first indexing. Analytics integration measures user engagement metrics that correlate with search success, bounce rate, time on page, pages per session. Wikipedia exemplifies the power of internal linking with its dense cross-section structure that helps both users and search engines navigate content efficiently. Sites with strong internal linking structures typically see 40% better crawl efficiency. Off-page SEO, authority building. Domain authority, overall site trustworthiness, backlink profile, quality, relevance, diversity. Brand mentions social signals, citations, to engagement, traffic, CTR, bounce rate. According to most research, backlinks remain among the top 3 ranking factors in Google's algorithm. Sites with strong backlink profiles from relevant authoritative domains consistently outrank competitors with weaker off-page signals. Off-page SEO extends beyond just links to include brand mentions, social shares, and local citations. All signals that help search engines evaluate your site's authority, relevance, and trustworthiness in your particular niche. Link building best practices. Effective link building strategies. 1. Earned links. Natural backlinks from creating valuable, shareable content. Original research. Infographics. Comprehensive guides. 2. Guest posting. Contributing content to relevant industry publications. Establishes expertise. Reaches new audiences. Creates natural link opportunities. 3. Broken link building. Finding broken links on other sites and offering your content as a replacement. Solves a problem for website owners. Higher success rate than cold outreach. Link building pitfalls to avoid. Risky practices. Techniques that may trigger Google penalties. Paid links without no followed. Private blog networks. Excessive reciprocal linking. Social signals and brand mentions. Social engagement impact. Content with high social engagement sees an average 15% uplift in organic visibility. While not direct ranking factors, social signals correlate strongly with improved search performance through increased visibility and natural link generation. Branded searches. Google evaluates entity strength through branded search volume. Companies with higher branded search queries typically rank better for non-branded keywords in their industry, as Google recognizes them as authoritative entities. Link brand mentions. Even without hyperlinks, brand mentions across the web contribute to search engines' understanding of your brand authority. Google's natural language processing can identify and attribute these mentions to your entity profile. Major brands like Nike leverage their strong brand presence across social platforms and media mentions to build entity strength. This translates to higher rankings even for competitive terms where on-page factors are similar among competitors. Technical SEO, foundations of success. Crawlability, ensuring search engines can discover all content. Indexability, enabling proper storage in search indexes. Optimizing for speed and user experience. Secure, implementing HTTPS and preventing vulnerabilities. Technical SEO creates the foundation that allows on-page and off-page efforts to succeed. With 61% of US web traffic now coming from mobile devices, mobile optimization is no longer optional, for it's essential for visibility in search results. Core technical elements include properly structured XML sitemaps that guide search engines through your content, robots TextNext files that control crawler access, and secure HTTPS implementation that Google now considers a ranking signal. Conclusion and modern SEO priorities. Holistic approach. Modern SEO success requires integration of all 3 pillars: on-page content optimization, off-page authority building, and technical foundation. These elements work together synergically, for weakness in any area limits overall performance. Regular auditing. Implement quarterly technical SEO audits to identify issues before they impact rankings. Use tools like Screaming Frog, SEMrush, or Ahrefs to monitor technical health, backlink profile changes, and content performance. Sustainable growth. Focus on building genuine authority through valuable content and earned backlinks rather than short-term tactics. Websites that provide exceptional user experiences while meeting search intent consistently outperform competitors over time. As search algorithms continue to evolve, the fundamentals remain consistent. Create valuable content users want, build authority through quality backlinks, and ensure technical excellence that allows search engines to properly access and understand your content.